Ever pondered what's happening inside your body when you lift those weights? Or why your muscles bulge after an intense workout? Well, it's time to demystify the science behind muscle growth. The process of muscle growth, or hypertrophy, is a fascinating one, and it all starts with resistance training. When you lift weights, you're actually causing microscopic damage to your muscle fibers. This might sound alarming, but fear not. This damage signals your body to initiate the repair process, which is where the magic really happens. In response to this damage, your body sends out a fleet of cells known as satellite cells. Picture these cells as tiny construction workers, rushing to the site to start the repair work. They fuse to the damaged muscle fibers, increasing their size and number. This process, coupled with the addition of new protein strands, leads to muscle growth. But what fuels these hard-working satellite cells? The answer lies in optimal nutrition. Consuming a balanced diet rich in proteins, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats provides the necessary building blocks for muscle repair and growth. However, it's not just about what you eat, but when you eat. Consuming protein-rich foods or supplements shortly after a workout can maximize the body's ability to repair and grow muscles. This is often referred to as the anabolic window, a period of time post-workout when your muscles are particularly receptive to nutrients. Now let's debunk a common myth. More exercise equals more muscle. In reality, rest is just as crucial as the workout itself. During rest periods, the body continues to repair and grow muscles. Overtraining, on the other hand, can lead to muscle loss and injuries. So what's the key to optimizing muscle growth? It's a combination of effective strength training, optimal nutrition, and adequate rest. Whether you're a beginner dipping your toes into the world of fitness or an advanced athlete aiming for new heights, understanding the science behind muscle growth can guide your training and maximize your gains. To recap, 1. Muscle growth is a result of resistance training, which causes microscopic damage to muscle fibers. This damage triggers the repair process, leading to muscle hypertrophy. 1. Optimal nutrition, especially protein intake post-workout, provides the necessary fuel for muscle repair and growth. 1. Rest is a crucial component of muscle growth. Overtraining can lead to muscle loss and injuries. 1. A combination of effective strength training, optimal nutrition, and adequate rest can optimize muscle growth. So next time you hit the gym, remember, it's not just about pushing your limits, but also about feeding and resting your muscles. This understanding of the biological processes behind muscle growth can help you make the most out of your work